Welcome back. We've covered the foundational defenses for our networks and devices. But in a world of cloud apps and remote work, the old network perimeter is gone. The new perimeter is identity. If you can't control who is on your network, you must control what they can do. That's where identity and access management, or IAM, comes in. It answers two fundamental questions. First, authentication. Who are you? This is about verifying a user's identity. Second, authorization. What are you allowed to do? This is about granting the correct level of access. You can't have one without the other. The most critical technology for authentication today is multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Passwords alone are too easily stolen. MFA requires a user to provide two or more different types of proof of their identity. This could be something you know, like a password, something you have, like a code on your phone, or something you are, like a fingerprint. For marketers, MFA is one of the single most effective security controls you can talk about. Once a user is authenticated, we need to decide what they can access. The core principle here is the principle of least privilege. This means every user should have only the absolute minimum level of access they need to do their job and nothing more. A marketer doesn't need access to the source code, and an engineer doesn't need access to the finance system. This simple idea dramatically reduces the potential damage of a compromised account. In our modern decentralized world, we can no longer rely on a single wall. IAM has become the new perimeter. By focusing on verifying every user and granting least privilege for every access attempt, we can create a much more resilient and flexible security model that works for the cloud and remote work. This is the foundation of a zero trust strategy. We've secured our users with IAM, but what about the digital highways they use to access our data? In our next video, we'll return to the network itself and explore the essential tools and strategies used to keep that traffic safe and segmented. See you there.